Hi everyone, my name is Charlie Apigian and I'm the Executive Director of the Belmont Data Collaborative, where we look to give everybody the data skills that they need for their career, as well as to use data for good within the community. And so one of the ways that we plan to do that for the community is with some new tools that are now publicly available. One is called RoundTable, as well as our data warehouse. And so let's get started on showing you how to play and explore data with RoundTable. So once you get to our website, belmontdata.org, you'll see right on the homepage there a little bit about us, as well as some of our latest work. And the things that right now are highlighted is our hypertension report, which we'd love for you to download and see what's happening in terms of our neighborhoods in Nashville and hypertension and health directly here. Second is exploring data with RoundTable. And so RoundTable, if you click here, you'll see will bring you a little bit of a description as well as how to use it, and it really focuses on topics and indicators, as you'll see here in a second. And you'll see that there's some intro videos on how to use it, as well as a nice screenshot. And as I click Visit RoundTable, it'll bring up the tool. And again, this is tying directly to all of the publicly available data in the state of Tennessee that we have currently aggregated, and showing it either at the US Census tract or at the zip code level. So how do you use it? Pretty simple. There are some filters on the side, and the two that you have to select are going to be topics. So I'm going to go ahead and select housing and infrastructure. And then the second thing you have to select is an indicator, something you're looking for. And so I'm going to look at median home price, just because it's something I think all of us can kind of relate to, especially in the Nashville market right now. And you can see that you have different highlighted areas, all at this would be at the zip code level. And with that, you see that each area is shaded based on the prices of the homes. So if I look, I can see here's Berry Hill, and that's the median household price in 2019 was $528,000. Where if I look up here in 37207, it's actually 162, a drastic difference here in the community. And so with this, you can see that not only do we have it for Nashville, but it is for the entire state of Tennessee. So we'd love for you to play around, see how to get started, look at other different factors. You can look at excessive housing costs, which is the affordable housing. And you'll see that the percentage of people where housing is not affordable is the darker area, and then the lighter area is where people can afford the home that they're in. And so that's just a little bit. A couple other videos will show you how to download data, compare data, as well as see our resources.